Hello there. So you want to know how you can fix your Battle.net friend list not loading? This could normally be because of a internet connection error. So this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, what I want you to do is simply go to Battle.net, open file location, do it one more time. And once you've done that, simply go to properties and then go to security and make sure that full control is allowed on every single thing. Once you've done that, go to compatibility, make sure run this program as an administrator is turned on, and then launch your Battle.net again and try to look for it. However, if it's still not responding, simply go to command prompt, go to run as administrator, and then run these two commands. So the first one is going to be ipconfig /flush DNS, so just like that, and then net sh winsock space reset, just like that. And now once you've done that, all you need to do is go to your network and internet settings, go to your Ethernet and go to DNS server assignment. Make sure that your DNS is turned from automatic to manual, and then your preferred DNS should be 8.8.8.8 and your alternate should be 8.8.4.4, and that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.